So, my dear friends, Electric Uncle is again with you, and this time I am showing you about 3.5-inch screen. So, I will start. I have shown it in my previous videos that always format your card with SD card formatter. For Raspberry Pi cards supposed to be formatted by this formatter. So now open this Raspberry Pi. In brief I will show you as a fresh, as a normal. You just install it, write it, flash it. You can say anything. And initially you fill up this. Press Ctrl Shift X. So this screen will appear. You fill Wi-Fi, all the things, Raspberry Pi code, so that enable SSH, so that these things you need not to do when you will proceed for other things like 3.5-inch monitor, by 7-inch monitor, to do anything. Means this permanently it will be set up, and to always do it initially when you normally write this Raspberry Pi OS. So it is written. In brief I have shown you, it was not necessary to show this, as you know it, you are used to. So after doing all this, just we will go ahead with this 3.5-inch monitor or the screen installation, and I will give you link in my description for this SD formatter and this and that, and for this code what we will fit. This is the 3.5-inch monitor, screen RPI LCD type C, right? You need to watch only, okay? It will be fixed up in the Raspberry Pi, in the pins of Raspberry Pi, it will go there, right? So this is RPI LCD-C 3.5-inch. These are the sockets for the pins. Just you have to fix it there. Here is Raspberry Pi. I have provided the heat sinks on it. You can watch my previous videos for this preliminary, for installation of this card, SD card, right? Now it has been written with Raspberry Pi OS 32 normal, as we used to install this Raspberry Pi. But always take care, Ctrl X Shift, and fill up that form, so that once and all it will automatically connect with Wi-Fi. SSH will be there, code will be there, and this is the original power adapter of Raspberry Pi to get the perfect voltage. This is the HDMI cable. Only these three things you need, nothing more. And mouse and this keyboard only one time. As well as this HDMI cable is also one time you need it, just to get it started. Afterwards you can remove that. Only power supply is enough for this screen. Correct? Now fix it properly. This screen got break up. It fell down. It got little broken, crack on the screen. So I will see what can be the problem due to that. I just insert this supply code, HDMI cable, and then I will connect it to my TV, my home smart TV, Sony Bravia 48 inches, and there we will make the setting of it one time only. Afterward you can remove everything. So first time you need to set like that. HDMI cable connect with this monitor, this TV, smart TV of your home, and the screen will appear there, the normal screen of the Raspberry Pi. now I'll insert the card. Everything is ready now. I can switch on the supply and this keyboard and mouse to be connected on the backside ports, and here we are ready. At the back you may see the big screen of my home TV, Sony, the smart TV 48 inches. So we will make it through that once only. Now I have started. Now the Raspberry Pi screen will appear on that LCD screen. There is no proper light arrangements, curtains, so please excuse me for that. Now see, the screen is there. Now what we will do, we will move to the terminal at the top. But first, you know what I did? I bring that command in email, and now I will open my email first, so that copy paste will be easy for me. I will open my email as normal we used to do. This Raspberry Pi first time. This screen will appear. So we will come to our normal screen. Now you see this code. I have put this picture in between the video. This code will come in my email, and from there I will copy and paste it in the terminal. That's it, nothing to do. So I will give this text format in the descriptions link. You can go there, find it, just copy paste it in the terminal. Once you will do it, finish. No need for this big screen. On the small screen you can proceed. And keep it in your pocket. Now I am going to open my email here. Just watch carefully. Below is the small screen, you can see that. So that screen will come here then afterwards. But when after this command, the above screen will stop working. The below screen will work. And to make it again on the above screen, there is another command. I will give that also in the text. So you put that in terminal, again that big screen will come. Email is taking time. Only 5 minutes it takes. Now here see, I have copy paste in the mail direct. Now I will copy it from here. Above command, not below command. Below command is for to again come to the big screen. Again you have to put it in the terminal. But first we will go to for this one command, right? I will copy and paste it. Watch very carefully, okay? Now I have opened the terminal. There is a black symbol on that. Click. Now here we can copy paste it. Just paste it and enter. It will start running. So simple, my dear friends. For the beginners, just go ahead like this. Now it is installing in our SD card of the Raspberry Pi, and then after finishing it, we will exit and start playing with our small 3.5 inch LCD screen, touch screen, right? Sometimes this touch screen give problem with this cursor. So there are so many commands. You can go to this wave share screen. There you can find those commands to get the improvements. And one thing more, till you don't install this virtual board, you have to use the external board for this small screen also. After installation of virtual keyboard, you can play with there also. See, now that screen is going near about finished and the screen appears on our small screen. That's it, finish. Just remove the cables, wires. Just keep this keyboard connected and mouse connected to make reboot and this and that, whatever you want to do for the time being. So now I will remove HDMI cable, removing from the big screen. Just now this cursor, see, this is broken from the bottom, so maybe this cursor will give problem. So anyhow, in your case it will not be like that. So go ahead, proceed and enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and share.